Do you ever start your day with a bowl of freshly deseeded pomegranates? It's juicy, nutritious, and packed with health benefits. But aside from being a convenient snack, did you know that pomegranate could play a big role in fighting cancer? We'll talk about that as we explore the pomegranate experiment that's changing cancer research. In this video, we'll discuss the nutrients in pomegranate, their health benefits, and what scientists are learning about its link to gastric and prostate cancers. Plus, we'll share some ways to add more pomegranate to your diet to stay healthy. So, let's get started. But before we continue, this content is provided for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider with any questions about your health or medical condition. So what makes pomegranate extra special and healthy? It consists of potent nutrients and a unique profile of bioactive compounds, which provide several health benefits for the entire body. Let's discuss two of its major compounds and nutrients. Number one is its antioxidants, and the other is its fiber content. Pomegranate is loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins and punicalagins, which help keep the body free from any oxidative stress. These compounds neutralize free radicals and ultimately reduce the likelihood of chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, or neurodegenerative disorders. Moreover, antioxidants in the pomegranate also support skin elasticity and health by guarding the skin cells against damage and slowing the process of aging.
Urolithin A. The most significant source of its antioxidative properties is a chemical called punicalagin, a member of the family of elegitannins, found in the edible portion of the fruit. When we eat a pomegranate, our gut bacteria convert elegitannins into urolithin A. To understand why urolithin A slows down the aging process, we need to look at how our muscles age.
The next constituent is pomegranate's dietary fiber content, which helps with digestion and improves gut health. Fiber also aids in the betterment of the bowel, prevents constipation, and fosters a balanced gut microbiome. In addition to that, it also supports weight management by triggering satiety, which lowers the amount of calorie intake. Pomegranate's potent antioxidants and fiber content make it a nutritional powerhouse that supports overall health by guarding cells against oxidative damage and enhancing digestion. Let's now find out how pomegranates help prevent cancer development or progression using 4 different mechanisms. Beginning with the major key factor in cancer development: inflammation. Inflammation is a natural immune response to an infection or injury, but chronic inflammation can lead to cancer and other chronic diseases by damaging DNA and supporting tumor growth. Pomegranate is loaded with potent nutrients that actively battle inflammation, making it an efficient way to prevent cancer. It consists of polyphenols, especially punicalagins and ellagic acid, packing strong anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds readily block the release of pro-inflammatory enzymes like COX-2 and lower the amount of cytokines that support inflammation. A research study published in Molecules showed that pomegranate extract can lower inflammation in the colon, lowering the risk of colorectal cancer. By lowering down the intensity of inflammation, pomegranate can inhibit and interfere with the pathways leading to cancer growth, ultimately becoming a beneficial addition to a regular diet. Secondly, pomegranate also boosts the immune system. A strong immune system ensures overall body health by fighting infectious cells. Pomegranate offers several strong compounds like vitamin C, polyphenols, and antioxidants that back immune cell activity. Together, these compounds play an active role in strengthening the body's natural defense mechanisms against harmful pathogens, including cancer cells. Vitamin C, for example, boosts the production and activity of white blood cells, which are key players in locating and destroying harmful cells. On the other hand, antioxidants like punicalagins guard immune cells from oxidative stress, further enhancing their functionality in locating cancerous transformations. Lastly, pomegranate's polyphenols aid in the modulation of inflammatory responses, maintaining a healthy and balanced immune system. A research study published in Molecules showed that pomegranate extract induced immune cell activity and lowered tumor-promoting inflammation in animal models. Pomegranates are also efficient at providing gut health benefits. They are loaded with polyphenols like L-argintannins, which support a balanced gut microbiome by fostering healthy bacteria like Akkermansia.
These are bioactives that can do a lot of great things. One of the things they do is actually they can cut off the blood supply to tumors, so they can starve cancer by cutting off the blood supply. But the other thing that they do is they improve your gut health by helping to grow a bacteria called Akkermansia. This is a guardian of the gut and guardian of health.
These L-argintannins are metabolized into urolithins by gut bacteria. Urolithins are bioactive molecules that hold anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. A healthy gut microbiome is the key factor in the regulation of inflammation, boosting immune response, and lowering the likelihood of colorectal cancer. In addition to that, the fiber content in pomegranate helps maintain gut motility, lowering exposure to harmful substances in the colon, which may give rise to cancer. A research study discussed in Critical Reviews in Food Science and Nutrition discovered that polyphenols in pomegranate can improve gut microbial diversity and lower pro-inflammatory markers. Another research study in the Journal of Natural Medicines showed that urolithins extracted from pomegranate can reduce tumor growth in colorectal cancer models. Lastly, pomegranates can actively combat the free radicals in the body, which otherwise may elevate the risk of cancer development. Free radicals are the unstable molecules produced as a result of cellular reactions or pollution in the body, which can cause harm to DNA, proteins, and cell membranes by inducing oxidative stress. Pomegranate is all about potent antioxidants like punicalagins, ellagic acid, and vitamin C, which neutralize free radicals and lower oxidative stress. Additionally, these compounds also repair the damaged cells, stop DNA mutations, and safeguard tissues from oxidative damage that might lead to cancer. A research study published in 2023 showed that pomegranate extract can greatly lower cell oxidative damage, lowering cancer risk. Another research study confirmed that pomegranate's antioxidants lowered oxidative stress, especially in cancer models. Now let's move on to discussing two types of cancers that pomegranate can prevent or slow progress: gastric and prostate cancer. Pomegranate has been shown to have anti-cancer effects against gastric cancer due to its potent nutrient profile, aimed at fostering digestive health. It is loaded with polyphenols, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, which directly target the pathways that lead to gastric cancer development. The ellagic acid and punicalagins content in pomegranate fight oxidative stress and inflammation in the stomach lining, lowering the risk of carcinogenic changes. Moreover, the polyphenols block Helicobacter pylori, a bacteria in the stomach that is often a leading factor in the development of gastric or stomach cancer or ulcers. Lastly, pomegranate supports healthy cell signaling and prevents the proliferation of cancerous cells in the gastric mucosa. A research study published in Cellular Signaling discovered that pomegranate extract can suppress the growth of H. pylori and lower inflammation in gastric tissues. What about prostate cancer? Pomegranate has acquired significant recognition in the prevention of prostate cancer as well, due to its potent and effective natural anti-cancer compounds. It is loaded with bioactive compounds like ellagitannins, punicalagins, and antioxidants, which actively attack cancer cells, possessing both preventative and healing effects.
On pomegranates and prostate cancer, starting with in vitro studies, showing more and more pomegranate extract can suppress the growth of prostate cancer cells in a petri dish by up to 95%.
Ellagitannins in the pomegranate turn into urolithins by gut bacteria, which readily stop the spread and growth of prostate cancer cells. Punicalagins, on the other hand, lower oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are key players in cancer development. Moreover, the antioxidants in pomegranate guard the DNA from damage and turn down the levels of prostate-specific antigen, PSA, which is a marker of prostate cancer. A research study published in UCLA Health showed that intake of pomegranate juice can slow PSA doubling time in men with prostate cancer, showing reduced cancer progression. Another research study published in 2017 showed that pomegranate extract can lower the proliferation of prostate cancer cells in laboratory models. Considering the out-of-ordinary anti-cancer effects and health benefits of pomegranate, experts suggest it should be a part of your daily diet. So let's find out how you can include it into your daily routine. For breakfast, add pomegranate seeds to your bowl of yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothie for a fresh, juicy start to the day. But for lunch, you can mix arils with your salads containing spinach, walnuts, and feta cheese. What about snacks? Well, freshly made pomegranate juice can be the best snack or refreshing beverage for any time of the day. But if you want to enjoy them as is, that's a great option too. For added benefits and fun, try mixing them with nuts and seeds. Let's get creative with pomegranate arils. Start by using pomegranate juice as a marinade sauce for meat like chicken or lamb, which adds a tangy flavor to your meat while tenderizing it. Pomegranate molasses, on the other hand, can be used to glaze roasted vegetables, or could be alternatively used as a base for salad dressing. You may also try blending arils into a sauce or dip like guacamole or hummus for a fun twist. While for desserts, these juicy arils pair well with dark chocolate, especially in tarts, or as a topping for panna cotta. Since pomegranate offers a wide range of benefits in the area of cancer prevention, scientists are focusing on discovering its additional benefits. They are aiming to learn more about its bioactive compounds like ellagic acid and punicalagins for their benefits, like lowering inflammation, boosting antioxidant capacity, and modulating gut microbiota. After deep research, experts have discovered 2 different varieties of pomegranate, Wonderful and Parfianca, which offer added health benefits due to their potent nutrient profile compared to others. While pomegranate is generally safe to consume, some individuals may experience allergic reactions to its seeds or juice. Besides, it is advised to not use additional sweeteners in pomegranate juice as they can diminish its nutritional value. If you are struggling with a health issue or are on medications that may interact with pomegranate, it is advised to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating pomegranate into your diet. That is it. If you liked watching this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Would you add pomegranate to your daily routine? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family.